Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Last time we read up to racing after them, and now today we are going to read from here. After another 30 minutes, only 4 kites remained, and I was still flying. It seemed I could hardly make a wrong move, as if every gust of wind blew in my favor. I had never felt so in command, so lucky it felt intoxicating. I didn't dare look up to the roof, didn't dare take my eyes off the sky. I had to concentrate, play it smart. Another 15 minutes, and what had seemed like a laughable dream that morning had suddenly become reality. It was just me and the other guy, the blue kite. The tension in the air was as taut as the glass string. I was tugging with my bloody hands. People were stomping their feet, clapping, whistling, chanting, Boburish, Boburish. Cut him, cut him. I wondered if Baba's voice was one of them. Music blasted. The smell of steamed mantu and fried pakora drifted from rooftops and open doors. But all I heard, all I willed myself to hear, was the thudding of blood in my head. All I saw was the blue kite. All I smelled was victory, salvation, redemption. If Baba was wrong, and there was a God like they said in school, then he had let me win. I didn't know what the other guy was playing for, maybe just bragging rights. But this was my one chance to become someone who was looked at, not seen, listened to, not heard. If there was a God, he would guide the winds, let them blow for me, so that with a tug of my string, I would cut loose my pain, my longing. We'll stop here and I'll explain this what we have read, okay? So after another 30 minutes, there remained only 4 kites. All the kites were cut down, okay? And I was still flying. Only 4 kites remained. He was still flying. It seemed I could hardly make a wrong move, as if every gust of wind blew in my favor. And it looked like I would not make any wrong move, because every gust of wind, the wind blew in my favor. I was flying my kite very carefully, and as if it looked like that the wind blew in my favor. Wind was my friend. I had never felt so in command. I never felt that I am the one here who has a competition with this blue kite, who has cut down all the kites, and I was feeling in command, because there were only 2 competitors now, me and that blue kite. So lucky it felt intoxicating. Intoxicating means making one feel excited so that one cannot think clearly. So intoxicating means he was very excited that he couldn't think clearly. I didn't dare look up to the roof. I didn't dare. I didn't looked at the roof. Didn't dare to take my eyes off the sky. I was continuously watching my kite flying, and I was focusing on my kite. I had to concentrate, play it smart. So I had to focus on it, concentrate on it, and play it smart. Another 15 minutes, and what had seemed like a laughable dream that morning had suddenly become reality. So after another 15 minutes, what had seemed like a laughable dream that morning I told Hassan that, oh, it's not possible for me to win, and we laughed there, and that was a laughable dream that morning. And now that dream had changed into reality. It was just me and the other guy, the blue kite. The tension in the air was as taut as the glass string. Taut means very tight. So tension was very tight. Who is going to win, okay? As the glass string, the tension was like what? As the glass string, I was tugging with my bloody hands. It was like that जैसे कि मैं किसको ग्लास स्ट्रिंग जो काइट पे लगी हुई थी, आई वॉज टगिंग विद माई ब्लडी हैंड्स. सो उसी तरह का एटमोसफियर था. The tension in the air was as taut as very tight as he was holding his glass string that sponge आसान उसको पतंग में जो वो धागा होता है दैट्स मेड ऑफ ग्लास जिससे वो हाथ कट जाते हैं. सो इट वॉज वेरी टाइट. आई वॉज taut as the glass string. I was tugging with my bloody. Tugging means to मतलब tugging means उछालना है, ऐसे जैसे आप काइट को फ्लाई करते हो ना, like that. Okay, to move it tightly. People were stomping their feet. Stomping means tapping their feet, moving here and there, clapping, whistling, chanting. They were clapping, they were whistling, and they were chanting. Chanting means बोल रहे थे, मुंह से बोल रहे थे. क्या बोल रहे थे? एक्साइटमेंट में बोल रहे थे. बोबोरेश, cut him. I wondered if Baba's voice was one of them. So I was thinking that there is Baba's voice among this crowd. Okay, music blasted. So there was a music everywhere. Okay. The smell of steamed mantu. Mantu means a type of dumpling. It's a kind of dish, I think. And fried pakora. The smell of steamed mantu, and maybe this is a dish in Afghanistan, okay? And fried pakora drifted from rooftops and open doors. So the smell of these pakoras and mantus spread from the rooftops and open doors. But all I willed myself to hear was the thudding of blood in my head. So there was a smell of these things, but what all I heard was that I willed myself to hear. I was in my mind there was what? The thudding of blood in my head. So there was a kind of tension in my head. Thudding of blood means this means there was a tension in his. He was feeling very. When you have exams and there's a paper in front of you, you feel that some kind of tension in your mind. So here, see, in the same way, he could hear that. He could feel that tension. Okay, all I willed myself to hear was the thudding of blood in my head. He was hearing that. Okay, we will stop here, and tomorrow we will continue this again. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.